Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to explain you how to use AI templates to draw high quality graphs and charts in your research paper. So while writing our research paper, the presentation of our results will be very important. So if you presented all the results in tables, so it won't be well enough to attract the reviewers or editors attraction. So therefore you have to present a perfect graphs and charts for your research paper writing. So in order to do that, I am going to show you a template is available. So in this template, what we are going to generate, we are going to generate a perfect code, and then we are going to use that code in a MATLAB software, and then we are going to making a perfect graphs and charts. Even you can edit that code after if you have any changes in your results and discussions also. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template for your drawings, that is picture representation in your research paper. So for that, go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this lmssolution.net.in, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on this option LMS AI. So it will lead to a LMS AI templates. So these are the different kinds of LMS AI templates available, especially designed for research paper writing and academic purpose. So in this particular LMS AI, so you found an option called generate MATLAB code. So you can click this generate MATLAB code option. So you can sign in with your mail ID. So after signed in with your mail ID, so it leads to a dashboard like this here. So here please add full details for generating MATLAB code. So for example, so if you are conducting some simulations in your work and you are going to make some tables, for example, say I am going to show you this table. So this table represents the convergence, efficiency and power tracking during partial shading condition. So I am going to compare 5 methods. So I am going to take the 5th method as the proposed one. So this is the efficiency, power tracking, power at global maximum, so settling time and convergence time. So if you don't need this theoretical part, so you can just delete that particular column alone. So after that, you just copy this table, go to that AI template dashboard, so just paste the table. So you can give an input prompt for the above table, generate MATLAB code to draw line graphs. Like that, you can give some input prompt here. So after giving input prompt, you can just click on the option called generate code. So automatically, so it will take several seconds and it will generate perfect code for you. So as we have asked for line graphs, so the code will generate based upon that line graphs only. So if you need bar charts also, or if you need any kind of plots you need, so you can give that as input prompt. So automatically the code is generated. So you just copy this code. So here with this code you will be getting the explanation also. So here you can copy, go to MATLAB software. So this is the dashboard of MATLAB 2022B version. So after generating code from that particular AI template, so you can paste the code here and just give on enter. So automatically for different methods, so the respective specifications will be displayed here. So here you can see that convergence time, settle time, power tracking and efficiency. So as we have asked for line graph, so it is generating perfect line graphs for us. So this is how you can generate perfect graphs and high quality images using this kind of AI templates. So you can do the same for any kind of tables or charts in order to make a perfect perfect picture for your research paper. So if you want to customize that, so you can customize in this code itself. So if you want to change the values, you can change the respective values. So or if you want to edit this particular part, so you can just click and you can change the color, whatever the color you want or line styles you want, you can change. So like that you can customize your values and you can fix the x-axis. So you can just give x label, so you can edit the x label and also you can edit the y label also. So in just a fraction of seconds, just by generating code using that particular AI template, you can make a perfect graphs or charts what you have expected to be represent in your research paper. So hope you can get an idea about how to use this particular AI template in order to make a perfect graphs. So moving on to our code, that is, so this is the code what we have used in order to draw perfect charts and graphs. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so just to click on plans and pricings. So at just 199 you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month, and you can get one plagiarism and AI report for that particular plan. The important thing is that you can have unlimited access to all our LMS AI templates. So you can generate or you can obtain different kinds of you can generate all the different kinds of content for your research paper using this templates. So all the templates are especially designed for your research paper writing. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Go on and explore this AI template in order to draw perfect charts and graphs for your research paper. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.